So did any of you guys have any action last couple days?
I had a client who is gonna set me up with this record studio. We're gonna go record one of my songs.
I don't think anybody meeting me, especially clients, would never depict me as a hardcore rapper. But that's kind of what I've always have been. You know, started writing rhymes in middle school.
She's gonna get me in the studio, and like it's on. Like this music thing might finally happen.
Like when?
So, like soon, like in the next week or two. That's
great.
Yeah,
So
I might be in the studio and everything.
So you think she's for real?
Yeah.
She's for real.
She threw out some big names, and yeah, sounds pretty
great.
legit.
That's not my area of expertise, rap. I mean, I really don't even like that kind of music, but he comes up with some stuff that's funny, and I laugh, and it sounds good when he's throwing it together, and I think he's got something.
I have a really short period of time here to impress these guys. You know, they're gonna want to check my music out and look into the lyrics and everything. So it's like to the lab. I got to work on this.
One shot.
One shot.
It might be one shot, one opportunity.
No doubt.
No, it's just like that, man.
I know.
It's just like that. I gotta blow them out of the water with this one song if they want to work on the album. This is a huge moment for me, but it's gonna take a lot of work to get this thing done in time.
You've been working hard though, so I don't think that's going to be an issue.
I've been doing it a long time, man.
Yeah,
I've been
that's what
working
I'm
on my
saying.
music 15 years.
You
what I'm
deserve
saying.
it. It's your time, man.